Paul here from EMD. Today I've got a Audi Q7. Car was towed in, everything was dead. You can't start the car up. And I'll show you what I mean. It's right here, put the key in. Ignition on. This one comes on. Try it again. One more time. Alright, so this car's been into a different workshop and they stripped it down. They've done the relays and something like that on the actual steering column module. So I'll show you what I mean. This one here, they've done the relays inside and things like that. And then the car was okay for about 6 months or something like that. And then now the car died again. So we're gonna listen to the box when I put the key. Ignition on. Ignition on. Nothing. Alright, so we're gonna put the key in and see if this one clicks. Put the key in. Key out. Key in. Yeah, something is clicking, that one there. It's the old one's clicking, but it's not working at all. So I'm gonna show you what I've done. This is my bypass, or call it bypass or emulator or whatever you call it. What it does, it just replaces this whole thing here. Alright, so if you have a problem like the Audi Q7 here, you can just take that off, unplug that one, and then send me this whole box here, which is that steering column module, whatever they call it. Send me that and I'll send you a box like that, and all you're gonna do is plug it in. I'll cut the hole there, cut another hole there, just to protect the circuit board, and then all you gotta do is plug that in like this. Alright, so now I'm gonna disconnect this. Disconnect that one there. That's the box I'm talking about. That's my box, already programmed for the car. So everything should be working, plug and play. So if you're, doesn't matter where you are around the world, you'll send it to us, and then we will send you a box like this back. With your most important thing is put your VIN number on the actual box for us, and then we're just gonna leave it here so that way we can actually tie this up to the actual underneath, so it protects the circuit board so it doesn't damage. Okay, now we're gonna try to start the car up. So key, ignition. You hear that? The little speaker in here acts as an ignition lock. You can hear it. Now we should start the car. Now you got the ignition on. Start the car. Car starts. Beautiful. So if you have a problem like that, please send me your steering lock control modules. I'll send you a box with everything programmed to your car in your keys, and it will be ready for actually plug and play. Make it easier for everyone. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.